Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage ads with Google Ads, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your browser and go to the Google Ads website. Sign in with your Google account. If you don't have an account, click on Start Now to create one. Once logged in, you will be greeted with the Google Ads dashboard. Click on the Campaigns tab on the left-hand menu. To create your first campaign, click on the plus button. Select a campaign goal that aligns with your advertising objectives. Choose a campaign type that suits your needs, such as search, display, or video. Follow the prompts to name your campaign and set your budget. Decide on your bidding strategy, such as manual CPC or maximize conversions. Next, define your target audience by selecting demographics, interests, and locations. Use the Ad Groups section to organize your ads based on themes or products. Create your first ad by clicking on the plus button under the ad group. Choose the ad format you want, such as text, image, or video. Fill in the required fields, including headlines, descriptions, and URLs. Preview your ad to ensure it appears as expected. Once satisfied, click Save and Continue to move through the setup process. Review your campaign settings, ensuring everything is correct. If everything looks good, click Publish to activate your campaign. Monitor your campaign's performance through the dashboard. Adjust bids, budgets, or targeting based on the results you observe. Consider running A/B tests to optimize ad performance further. Use the insights gained from performance data to refine your strategy over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.